Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to launch SteamVR and you're getting error 309, it means SteamVR is having trouble initializing the display, usually because it can't properly communicate with your headset or your GPU driver. This one shows up a lot with NVIDIA cards, so let's go through the fixes. Start with the simplest thing. Unplug your headset completely, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Then restart SteamVR. It sounds too easy, but a bad USB or DisplayPort connection is responsible for this error more often than you'd think. Make sure you're plugging directly into your GPU, not a USB hub or a motherboard port. If that didn't do it, restart the SteamVR runtime. In your Steam library, right-click on SteamVR, go to Properties, then Local Files, and click Browse. Find the folder called bin and then Win64 inside it, and run vrserver.exe directly. If it throws an error there, it confirms the runtime itself has a problem and needs to be reset. Next step, reinstall SteamVR completely. Right-click it in your Steam library, go to Manage, and uninstall it. Then go to your Steam installation folder and manually delete the SteamVR folder inside the Steam apps/common directory. Once that's gone, reinstall SteamVR fresh from Steam. Leftover corrupted files from a previous install are a very common cause of error 309. Now let's talk about your NVIDIA driver. Error 309 can be triggered by a driver that's either too old or, ironically, too new. If you updated your driver recently and this error appeared right after, roll back to the previous version. You can do that in Device Manager. Find your GPU under Display Adapters, right-click, go to Properties, then the Driver tab, and hit Roll Back Driver. If you need to go back further, grab an older driver directly from the NVIDIA website. Another thing to check is whether SteamVR is set to use the right GPU. If you have both integrated graphics and a dedicated NVIDIA card, Windows might be routing SteamVR through the wrong one. Open the NVIDIA control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, then Program Settings, find vrserver.exe, and make sure it's set to use your NVIDIA GPU. If you're still seeing the error, check the SteamVR settings for your display resolution and refresh rate. Go into SteamVR settings, then Video, and try lowering the render resolution or supersampling. Sometimes the error 309 is actually a display initialization failure caused by the resolution being set too high for your current driver to handle. Finally, if nothing else worked, do a full clean driver install using DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller. Boot into safe mode, run DDU, wipe your NVIDIA drivers completely, then install a fresh copy from the NVIDIA website. After that, reinstall SteamVR and test again. This combination resolves error 309 in most cases. Alright, that's everything. Work through these in order and you should be up and running. If you're still stuck after all of this, drop a comment with your headset model and GPU, and I'll see what I can do. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. It helps me keep making these videos. See you in the next one.